Hey everybody, Jeff Dobines. Want to introduce you to an incredible story from a dear friend of ours, the founder of Both Hands, JT Olson. JT tells this amazing story of how he learned as a teenager that his parents were killed in an auto accident and how he was adopted by his family and went on to start Both Hands to raise money for folks that are doing adoption. And this story is just an amazing testimony to faith and to living kind of the life that God's planned even when things don't go our way. And so JT tells a story about how communities can come together, help widows, help orphans, and ultimately raise money to bring those kids back to their forever home. So I promise you'll enjoy the story of the orphan, the widow, and me from the Both Hands founder, JT Olson.